introduction about her. She comes from a family of, she is the daughter-in-law, as I told you, of K.V. Charan Mahapatra Guruji. And today's Odissi, according to me, that I have seen many dancers, she is sculpted for Odissi. And she is yet very simple and beautiful. So enjoy her.
For giving me this opportunity. And you know, like, this topic is so dear to me. Whatever I am today, because of my father, because of my mother. True essence is something beyond the knowledge sense. And if you have that much faith on your Guru, I think you don't need anything. And if you don't have that, you are not. Na, ka, thi, ni, ta, i, thi. Na, ka, thi, ni, ta. 3, step. Jai Buddha. Pada. Kan.
Workshop, which was for 3 days, was a blessing for people like us who are working, and we spend almost 8 to 10 hours a day at work for 5 days in a week, and a weekend workshop like this is something that we are all dying to have. And to train under a doyen like Sujata Mahapatra, who is a great performer herself, and now I know that she's a great teacher as well. That was quite amazing. And there could be nothing better than a place like Shambhavi Dance Theatre to organize this, because the whole aura itself is so inspiring, and you only want to dance when you come here. The whole place it's cool, it's nice, and it's full of dancers everywhere, so it's very inspiring. It was a great 3-day workshop for me.
Kaya Bisara
experience here. The Shambhavi Theatre is set up in such a serene, wonderful atmosphere. It really creates the right sense and right place for dance. And this workshop adds to the atmosphere here with a lot of passionate dancers, passionate about different styles of dance. But the underlying thing being passionate about dance in general, coming and discussing their ideas together, learning together. And it's been great the past 3 days being together with everybody. I think Vaijayanti Kashiji has really created something wonderful for dancers, and bringing the Guru Shishya Parampara to all of us, passing it on. It's a very rich heritage, and passing it on in such a wonderful way. She's really doing it in style, in a way that is very intellectually stimulating as well. I'm really grateful to her, and I do recommend this for anybody who loves dance and wants to pursue dance of any style in India.
It's always very nice to talk to various gurus. I mean, we can only pick up so much in 3 days, but the reason that each one of us have come here is because we want to speak, spend time with the gurus who have already achieved so much. So I think it's a very good opportunity for students like us. We get something very different out of just to enrich our lives when we are learning an art form like this. It's a very good opportunity for us to meet gurus, spend time with them, learn from them. They have so much to tell, and we have so much to hear from them, and about their gurus too, the time that they have spent with their gurus. one aspect of this whole project. I think even Vaijayanti's idea behind this is to just pick up something but learn on a bigger scale. It's beyond learning an item.
Celebrate Dance Workshop by Vaidyanti Kashiji is an amazing concept, seriously. And it's so nice for we hungry people, dancers, students all around the city that we can come away from the city and have such a concentrated, intense workshop. And it's quite unimaginable to learn one item in 3 days. But to have a stalwart like Sujata Mohapatraji come all the way and interact with us so freely. She's so humble, such an amazing person. It is one of a lifetime opportunity for us. And she performed yesterday and I feel really blessed. I mean, it was divine. She turned divine on stage and you could connect with her the moment she lights up the stage. If such amazing personalities come, I mean, they have their aura among them. They will bring people to this place, and many more workshops to come awaiting them. Our ears light up hearing more news of more workshops. The next one is Kathak, I hear, and I can't wait to come here again. Thank you so much, Vaidyanti ji, and congratulations to you.